Prague, Czech Republic, a fairy tale city. If Prague is on your bucket list or you're going to be visiting Prague in the near future, we are going to feature a few must-see locations. Welcome to Travel with the Hales. Now, Prague has two sections, an old and a new. The old section, the buildings are from over 700 years ago. It's steep in history and it's a touristy part of the city. You'll feel like you're stepping back in time. Newtown Prague, well, it's not actually new like you think of the word new. It just has a little more modern atmosphere to it. It's popular among the younger visitors and it offers a mix of museums, shopping, and nightlife. So where do you stay? It depends on what you're looking for. If you want quiet evenings and an older crowd, Old Town is best for you. If you want more nightlife options, Newtown is best for you. Both areas are just a short walk apart. Prague is a very walkable city, and there is a lot of cobblestone streets. Here are a few things we discovered that I would put on your must-to-do list. Charles Bridge. This is one of Prague's most iconic landmarks. The construction began in 1537 and was completed in the early 15th century. It is about 1,693 feet long or 560 meters. It has 30 statues of mostly saints. Make a wish on the bridge. It will come true if you do it right away. Also, find the St. John statue. Touching the statue will bring you good luck and ensure your return to Prague. It's easy to find. It has a very polished surface by the countless of people who have touched it over the centuries. Next up is Prague Castle, the largest ancient castle in the world. It dates back to the 9th century. When you are there, visit St. Vitus Cathedral. It's Gothic. It contains tombs of many kings and queens and Holy Roman emperors, famous for its stained glass windows. Old Town Square. Here you will find the famous Astronomical Clock, a must-see of medieval engineering. It was installed in 1410 and it is the third oldest clock in the world still operating. It tells time and it is an historical artifact. Hare Krishners in Old Town Prague are noted for their energetic chants and colorful robes and can be found there frequently. Thank you for watching Travel with the Hales. Our channel is based on curiosity, exploring, and travel. If you are looking for more travel tips and inspiration, check out our other videos.